Well, I think it's a very well-written document that illustrates the importance of not only general health to oral health, but the role of the FDI in addressing the public health needs.
I think one of the key things about Vision 2020 really is the opening statement. It asserts that oral health is a basic human right, and without oral health, nobody is truly healthy.
Vision 2020 of the FDI is a remarkable document.
It's not a roadmap, it's a map. Vision 2020 was to establish where we are. Phase number 2 is going to be the strategies to create a roadmap where we'll go with Vision 2020.
I think the 5 areas that were identified in the document all of them are very inspiring for dentists in daily practice. Sustainable dentistry, for instance, in terms of making our dental office more sustainable.
Oral health professionals need to have a voice because we need to think of them as public health professionals.
The 2020 report serves as a great vehicle to bring communities together with like minds to address the needs of the public.
Somebody has to determine what are the best practices, how best to implement them, and then, having implemented them, how to evaluate them.
Can we provide FDI with ammunition needed to go to politicians to say, these are the key performance indicators you're supposed to look at in order to see if you have achieved improvement in overall health and oral health.
It is important to launch indicators that can be understood well by people, by policymakers and by healthcare administrators in general, and not only the oral health profession.
To reach a goal, we have strategy. To adapt the strategy, we need to collect data from time to time, every year, for example.
Now, what we're doing, I think at this point, and certainly what Vision 2020 does, is to start talking about health and not just disease. But we now need to stand back and reflect carefully and develop a completely new set of markers that truly measure health and don't simply measure disease.
I'm convinced that what the Vision 2020 project is doing is where the oral health care profession needs to be.
It's crucial that dentistry and oral health aren't regarded in isolation from the rest of health.
Vision 2020 challenges the dental profession.
It is important to think of oral health professionals as part of the whole health professional team.
We can talk about integrating oral health, but unless we start to collaborate with other healthcare professionals, it's only talk.
We cannot tackle the global burden of disease by individualistic approaches.
It's something that is a change in the paradigm of the way we approach oral health at a global level.
This is the time to influence the agenda. This is the time to do not just reflection on who you are, but where you want to be and what would the profession look like, say 10 years down the road.
Diseases, oral diseases, no national or international boundaries. They're ubiquitous.
Vision 2020 document is important because my analogy is this: the train has already started out of the station. If you're not on the train, you won't be there when it gets to its destination.